Sometimes out here we lose power. So we have a hydro, it was wiped out in an earthquake, we had no power. And CRMF helped Mum and Dad to put that on as one of their last ministries here really, at the health centre.
An earthquake damaged their hydropower, which they rely mostly on electricity. They call us in for solar installation. So we flew in on MAF to remote Mougulu and we conducted a solar survey before carrying out the installation. The remote station rely generally on fuel generators. However, fuel usage comes with a high cost. Therefore, the family requested us installing the solar system at Mougulu.
And so they put in that solar power, and it's almost running 24 hours a day on solar now. So it's only the backup is hydro or diesel generator. It just makes a huge difference.
Before we used torchlight to help the patient, and then it's quite hard for us. But now the solar power came in, it helps us to save the patient. How many patients coming in the night, we help them.
Yes, solar power I'm on 6 to 6 and so stuff. I'm so happy with the good. I'm much low. This la solar power. Night misa kam lau shik. Misa eximarasi.
We are a health centre for many surrounding aid posts and many surrounding people. So when they're really sick, they come here first. And it's really vital that we have power. We have anti-venom, things like that, and without power you can't do any of those things. So yeah, it's really crucial. You couldn't say how many lives it saved because it's too many. You know, there's plenty of times when that's been a life-saving thing for us to have here.